Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Watch 8 series, marking a significant evolution in both hardware and software for its wearable lineup. This year's update introduces more than just routine upgrades. Samsung has made bold moves with design, comfort, processing power, health tracking, and software capabilities, including a deeper integration of Google's Wear OS 6 and AI features. The biggest change in the Galaxy Watch 8 is its design. Samsung has moved away from its classic circular smartwatch shape, opting instead for a new cushion design, a hybrid that's neither fully round nor square. This bold shift gives the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic a fresh identity, and for the first time, the Classic model also embraces this new look. It's a surprising move that could divide fans. Some may see it as modern and refreshing, while others may miss the traditional style. This design update isn't just about looks. The Galaxy Watch 8 is 11% slimmer than its predecessor, thanks to a reworked internal layout, offering better comfort for all-day wear and sleep tracking. The dynamic lug system, previously seen in the Galaxy Watch Ultra, returns to enhance fit and ergonomics by allowing the straps to adjust more naturally to the wrist. Durability hasn't been overlooked either. Both models feature sapphire crystal displays for better scratch resistance. Samsung also promises significantly brighter screens, improving visibility in bright sunlight, ideal for outdoor use and viewing detailed watch faces. While exact brightness figures haven't been confirmed, early impressions hint that this could be Samsung's brightest Galaxy Watch yet. Under the hood, the Watch 8 series runs on Samsung's brand new Exynos 1000 processor, offering improved efficiency and performance over its predecessor. Paired with 2 GB of RAM, users can expect smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and more responsive interactions with animations and navigation. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic goes a step further with up to 64 GB of internal storage, a notable upgrade that opens the door for offline music storage, more app downloads, and even better compatibility with future Wear OS updates. The standard Galaxy Watch 8 likely retains a lower storage cap, although Samsung hasn't officially disclosed that number. Battery performance remains a middle ground experience for this series. The Galaxy Watch 8 packs a 435 mAh battery, while the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic bumps that up slightly to 445 mAh. According to Samsung, this is enough for a full day of regular use with room to spare. However, if you're coming from the larger and more rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra, these numbers may feel underwhelming. That said, improvements in Wear OS 6's power management and the efficiency of the Exynos 1000 might help extend real-world battery life beyond what the numbers suggest. Fast charging is still supported, making it easier to top up quickly before a workout or a night's sleep. One of Samsung's core focuses this year is health and wellness, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series introduces several meaningful upgrades in this space. First, GPS performance has been improved across all models. This will especially benefit runners, cyclists, and hikers who rely on precise tracking. The enhanced running coach feature now offers more accurate pacing and route mapping, giving users better feedback during and after workouts. This ties into a broader push for whole body wellness, emphasizing not just physical activity, but also recovery and rest. Also new is vascular load tracking, a feature that monitors your stress levels during sleep, offering insights into how physically or mentally taxed you might be without you realizing it. Add to that a brand new antioxidant index, which analyzes carotenoid levels in the body. This provides an indirect measure of your dietary health and stress response, giving a fuller picture of your well-being. Together, these updates create one of Samsung's most advanced health tracking ecosystems to date, making the Galaxy Watch 8 a strong contender for users who prioritize wellness and lifestyle monitoring. Software-wise, the Galaxy Watch 8 is the first Samsung wearable to run Wear OS 6 layered with One UI Watch 8. This integration brings new navigation elements, better power optimization, and tighter app compatibility with Android phones. Perhaps the most exciting addition is Gemini, Google's latest AI assistant. Built directly into the OS and optimized for Samsung's hardware, Gemini provides a much smarter, context-aware digital assistant experience. Think more intelligent suggestions, proactive alerts, and smoother voice control. Another highlight is the arrival of the Now bar, a feature previously seen on the Galaxy S25 smartphones. This quick access interface lets users swipe through frequently used apps, tools, and information at a glance, reducing the need for deep menu diving. It's a small but impactful feature that helps streamline interactions. Samsung is offering a variety of finishes and sizes to cater to different tastes. Galaxy Watch 8, available in graphite and silver with size options of 40mm and 44mm. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, offered in black and white, available exclusively in a 46mm case size. The standard Watch 8 starts at $349, while the Classic comes in at $599, reflecting its premium build and added features. For those seeking even more performance and ruggedness, Samsung is also introducing a new Galaxy Watch Ultra variant in a striking titanium blue colorway. Priced at $649, this model is designed for power users, adventurers, or fitness enthusiasts who want more battery life, durability, and high-performance tracking. The Galaxy Watch 8 series is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most ambitious smartwatch lineups yet. The shift in design will likely be the most debated change, but beyond aesthetics, the watches offer real improvements in comfort, health tracking, software features, and performance. Whether you're a longtime Galaxy Watch user or new to Samsung wearables, the Watch 8 series presents a compelling option, especially with the introduction of AI-powered assistance, advanced sleep and wellness monitoring, and a brighter and more durable display. With multiple sizes, finishes, and price points, Samsung appears determined to offer a smartwatch for every lifestyle, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series might just deliver on that promise.